It's another day when you have seen commodity prices continue to decline. No surprises there really, because if you look at the dollar index, that's trading nearly 0.5% on the higher side at around 82.60 kind of levels, and that really seems to be putting pressure here. The data hasn't been so good in the recent days from the commodity consumption countries, and that also is leading to some decline here. The gold prices in the meanwhile have continued to slide down. While we did see a low of 1270 in the previous week, we did see some buying also coming in on Friday. Yet again today you have seen the slide continue into those markets. In the Indian markets, nearly 300 rupees down on the gold prices, and 700 to 800 rupees of a negative trading is how you have seen the silver prices also undertaking. So below 41,000 rupees per kg coming in for the silver prices as well. Very sharp declines onto that one. After nearly 8 to 9% of decline in silver in the previous week, you have seen silver continue to decline this week as well. The oil and gas space also has seen declines coming in, 4.5% of a cut on the NYMEX crude prices in the previous week. In the Indian markets also, we have come down all the way from 5,800 plus kind of levels to around below 5,600 on your screens there. The sharpest of cuts really have continued in case of the base metal space. You have seen the global inventories at around record highs for most of those base metal prices, while the consumption from China has continued to decline. So copper prices, after falling 3.5% in previous week, are trading more than 1% down on your screens there. And we almost seem to be looking at 400 breaching in case of the Indian copper prices as well. Getting then Dharmesh Bhatia from Kotak Commodities, and he joins us with his strategies on the show. Dharmesh, hi, welcome. How would you want to look at the silver prices in the market today, the kind of decline that we have seen? Do you see 40,000 breaching anytime soon?
Continuously prices showing weakness, and last week price has broken the major psychological support of $20 and trading well below it. This week I'm still expecting the market to show weakness, even though rupee has shown some weakness, but domestic market, the price is still internationally, I would expect the price to touch $18 to $17 in coming days. So any speculative rise around 41,800 is a good level to short, maintaining a stop loss of 42,290, and hold short for a target of around 41,300 to 41,000 on downside. So sell on rise on MCX silver is advisable.
Dharmesh, also how would you look at the copper prices, the kind of declines that we have seen? Do you see it breaching further lows today?
For past 2 weeks, price is showing weakness and unable to breach the major psychological level of 7,500. Currently, it's trading on an average on $7,000 in LME. I would recommend to go short at higher levels around 410, maintaining a stop loss of 414, and you can hold short for the target of around 404 to 400 on downside. With rupee getting weaker, you can see some speculative rise in domestic market, but it's a good level to short. So sell on rise on MCX copper is advisable.